Friend, today I have a Lexus IS250. Customer complaint: engine no crank, no start. I on the ignition switch. There is no check engine light. You can see. If you have same problem, first thing first, you check engine light. There is no engine light. Let's diagnose this car. How to diagnose? In this video I will show you. There is no check engine light. In this situation, first we disconnect the ECM E3 connector. This is the location for engine ECU. The last one connector, this is the ECM E3 connector. We disconnect this one. This is the common failure for this Lexus. In this video I will show you how to disconnect. I disconnect the E3 connector of the ECM. When I disconnect the E3 connector, check engine light is eliminated. You can see the engine light is showing now in the cluster. When I fix the connector, back fix, when I fix back this connector, the engine light will disappear. You can see there is some shorts in 5-volt reference. This is the engine control ECU connector. This is E3 connector. Pin number 7 is the 5-volt reference wire. Let's now show you the wiring diagram. This is the wiring diagram. This is I will show you in the wiring diagram. E3 connector. This is total 8 page in this diagram. This is E3 connector. Pin number 7 is the 5-volt reference. This is the pin 7. This is E3 connector. This pin 7 goes straight to the which sensor. This is the 3 connector. This is pin 7. Pin 7, green wire. Which sensor connect with this wire? This is the 5-volt reference for cam sensor bank 1, cam sensor bank 2, and fuel pressure sensor.
Are you sure so we good?
Page 5 to 6. I found the fuel pressure sensor. This is the fuel pressure sensor. Pin number 3 is the 5-volt reference. This sensor is short. Let's I show you in the car. When I disconnect this sensor, what is the reaction from the engine ECU? I remove the intake. This is the location for the fuel pressure sensor. There is the fuel pressure sensor location 3 there. This one, this is the fuel pressure sensor. Now I disconnect the connector and see the reaction. This is the connector. When I disconnect, the fuel line is make a pressure, fuel pump is running now, and check engine light is on. This car pressure, fuel pressure sensor problem. Because of the fuel pressure sensor, the car is not anything, no crank, no start. Reason of the fuel pressure sensor. Thank you for watching. This is the connector. Pin number 7. The last pin. This is the pin 7 wire, green. Go straight to the fuel pressure sensor. This is the 5-volt reference wire.